Well, here's the beginnings of the round hog trap. I brought it in here into the shop. It's a 8-foot around spool that it's screwed together. First step I'm going to take is bust all the screws out to get those middle pieces out. Once I get the middle pieces out, I'll use them for the outside for the support bars. Now all the nuts are loose, and then I can just take the bolts out, and then the two rings will be in half. Now the top and the bottom is separated, and then I can use these on the outside for support. The next step is going to be we're going to take the post that we cut out of the middle of the ring right here, mark them to 37 inches, and then take them over to the saw and cut them down. And then measure it after 37, and then make another cut. And then have to do that about 8 or 10 times, and then you're ready to go. Then you have all the side pieces ready. Now that I got all the pieces that I needed cut out so far, I got them laid out around the pinwheel, and then I start squaring them up and start tacking them on there, and then weld them up as I go, and then that'll be the support pieces. Now I've got the top set down on it and going around and making sure it's square and tacking the support pieces. Once I get the top tacked on, I'm going to go ahead and weld it up. Start to come together now. And then when all that comes together, I'll cut the middle out, and then we'll have to figure out a design for the door. All right, now I have the top and the bottoms welded up so far. I had to figure out what I'm going to do for the gate, whether I'm going to do a guillotine style or a swing gate. But it's all starting to come together, just a little bit at a time. And now that I got all the center pieces welded in, what I'm going to do is come out here and start cutting the pinwheel out of where the bottom's going to be. Started cutting it out, just cut the welds around it. That way I can knock that loose, and then I can use that material from the pinwheel to make my door and stuff. Just like that, all the way around. And then I'll come across, cut that weld, cut that bottom weld, and then hit it with a hammer and it'll come right on out. Now I got the bottom out. Gonna do a quick update on the Hog Trap. Got the wire on the outside. Got the door up. Went with a guillotine style. I started welding all of the panels on. All I lack is putting the top on, finish welding up the sides, and then building the trip. And then we'll be pretty close to done. Well, it's got her done. Got just goat wire on top for it. Got the panels welded up all the way around. Got a drop guillotine style door, and then here's my trip right here. Just a hinge with about a 40-degree angle cut in it, like so. And then you take a string from here, take it back to that corner, run it across right there, over to that corner, well, that side, and then there's your trip line. Run your corn around the outside right there. Caught you a pig. They'll come through, they'll hit that string, just like that. Appreciate you watching.